Hi, welcome to Sunil Maths tutorial. Let us solve a problem. Show that limit x comma y tends to 0 comma 0 f of x comma y does not exist where f of x comma y is equals to x square y by x power 4 plus y square if x power 4 plus y square not equals to 0. F of x comma y is equals to 0 if x equal to y equals to 0. So they given this function. Let us see f of x comma y is equals to x square y plus x power 4 plus y divided by x power 4 plus y square if x power 4 plus y square not equals to 0. Otherwise it is 0, both x equal to y equals to 0. So now we solve this problem. If we approach the origin, if we approach the origin 0 comma 0 along any axis, then f of x comma y is clearly equivalent to 0. If we approach the origin along any axis, the function becomes 0. So right now, if we approach origin, 0 comma 0 along any straight line y is equals to mx. We are approaching the origin along the straight line y is equals to mx. Then f of x comma y is equals to f of x comma mx. By the definition of our function, here you see there x square y by x power 4 plus y square. So replace the y here and here by mx. So you simply get x square mx divided by x power 4 plus mx whole square, which is equals to mx cube divided by x power 4 plus m square x square. So this is a simple calculation. You simply get mx by x square plus m square. Therefore, we get f of x comma y is equals to mx by x square plus m square. It is very clear. Mx by x square plus m square tends to 0. It tends to 0 as x tends to 0. Therefore, so along any straight line approach gives us the value of limit x comma y tends to 0 comma 0 f of x comma y is equals to 0 along any straight line approach, irrespective of m value, any straight line approach, we get the limit is 0. Now we are going to calculate another way. Now put y is equals to mx square. Then obviously f of x comma y is equals to f of x comma mx square, which is equals to x square into mx square divided by x power 4 plus mx square whole square, which is equals to mx power 4 divided by x power 4 plus m square x power 4. This simply becomes m x power 4 divided by x power 4 into 1 plus m square. So obviously you get the value of x power 4 m divided by 1 plus m square. Now the value of the function f of x comma y is equals to, therefore f of x comma y is equals to m divided by 1 plus m square. Now limit x comma y tends to 0 comma 0, f of x comma y is equals to limit x tends to 0, f of x comma mx square gives a result of m by 1 plus m square. Which is this value, which is different, for the different values of m. We get different values for different values of m. In either case, we are going to conclude now. In either case, f of x comma y approaches f of x comma y approaches different limits in both the cases. Whenever y is equals to mx, we get 0. When y is equals to mx square, we get different values or different limits for different m values. From these we conclude that limit x comma y tends to 0 comma 0, f of x comma y does not exist. Thus, final conclusion. Thus, the function or given function f of x comma y possesses no limit at origin, but a straight line approach gives the limit. Understand the difference. Now finally we conclude that limit x comma y tends to 0 comma 0, f of x comma y does not exist. But whenever we restrict the value of y to a straight line which is equals to mx for different values of m, you get a limit. That's it. Keep learning.